Chief Justice Warren Burger.
So he passed almost 30 years ago, right?
Yeah, and I certainly don't mean to speak ill of the dead or anything of that nature, but I think he must have been missing that day in law school where I was taught you may be the world's greatest attorney, but if you ever represent yourself, you might have the world's dumbest client.
You never represent yourself. Just like a surgeon, you're not going to operate on yourself.
Yeah, and
right?
that's unfortunately kind of what he did. He did his own estate plan, and boy, hard to argue that he might have been the world's best attorney. He was a Supreme Court justice, for goodness sakes.
Yeah.
But he did it himself. It was a will that he wrote himself. It had 176 words on a $1.8 million estate, and it just failed to align with his intentions, and his family was left.
I think people need to
holding the
understand,
bag.
too, the estate tax exemption back then was about $500,000.
Yeah.
And so this is the mid-90s, 30 years ago. And so $1.8 million inflation adjusted is about having about a $9.5 million estate today, just to give you some kind of understanding.